Hello friends, in last few videos I have discussed with you economics question bank, our board paper question bank. Now in this video, this is the first video of OCM. In this video I am going to discuss question number 3, that is study the following cases. In the next video we will discuss the objective part. So let's start. See, this is in the exam, this is asked in question number 3. We have study the following case situation and express your opinion. This is asked for 6 marks and total we have to attempt 2 questions out of 3. So it carries nearly 6 marks, 3 marks each. So let's begin with that. Just a second. This is question number 3. Okay. Let's begin with the first paragraph, first passage. Study the following case. Question number 3, situation and express your opinion. Navnath and Jagannath are partners of a firm dealing with civil construction activity. They have set objective of completing. See, they are the partners. Then they have set objectives of completing 3 projects. So you can see that they want to tell us that they have planned something. So Navnath is responsible for arranging funds. Together they have planned activities. Then Navnath is responsible for arranging funds. As we know, arrangement organization deals with organizing, arranging all the resources. So here they are saying that construction machinery, required raw material, men, machine, material, everything has been arranged in the organization stage. Then Jagannath hired architects. So he is dealing with draftsmen, so supervisors, contractors, laborers, etc. So he deals with the staffing function. Now they have asked, based on this passage, name the management function Navnath was involved. See, we have already seen that Navnath is responsible for arranging fund, construction of machinery and required raw material. So we can say that Navnath was involved in organizing functions of management. So the planning function, planning, organizing, staffing, we have different functions in the functions of management. As he is organizing all the material, so we can say that he is doing organizing function. Who did staffing for the firm? They have told that Jagannath hired architect and all, so we can say that Jagannath did staffing for the firm. You can underline that staffing, organizing. Which management function Navnath and Jagannath did jointly? In the first line only, they have mentioned that they are dealing with civil construction activity and they have set objective. Planning is an intellectual activity. What is intellectual activity? Intellectual activity is related to brain. So we can say that they are doing planning activity. Next, just simply write one sentence. Okay, one line sentence. No need of writing staffing, what is staffing and all. This carries just 3 marks, 1 mark each. Next, Miss Harshali started new business for few business. It is from the textbook only they have somewhat they have made changes in the question. Few years ago, her customers are located in different parts of the country and hence they are directly depositing bill amount in her business account. She used to pay various payment from his accounts only. Identified type of account maintained by. Obviously, they are saying that she has started new business. So we will write it as Harshali has started new business. From the passage only I have written. Then Therefore, being business person, the type of account maintained by Mr. Harshali is nothing but the current account. So your main answer is current account. Second, suggest any one modern way of money transfer to Miss Harshali. See, you can write NEFT, RTGS, or write 2 to 3 lines. You can take the screenshot of it, whatever things are there in our textbook, whatever the information we know about the NEFT. Better you write the long form also, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Under this system, funds are transferred electronically from one branch to another branch or one bank to another bank in the country. The client has to give details of NEFT, code of branch, account number of beneficiary. Beneficiary means to whom we are going to transfer the money. Okay, or you can tell about the RTGS. Okay, real time gross settlement. So you can write 2-3 lines about the RTGS also. Next, what kind of facility does she get on her bank account? See, you can write overdraft facility also. First of all, you are going to write the overdraft facility because she has current account. Okay, so current account holder enjoys overdraft facilities, and other facilities like RTGS, NEFT, debit, all these things are enjoyed by other people also. One more thing I want to mention, that statement of account, that is email, we can get it, or on mobile also we have it, but for the current account holder they gave it at free of cost. Maximum times they give it as free of cost, otherwise it is chargeable. If you take the printout of it, it is chargeable. So 10 rupees, 20 rupees per page they charge. So you can write statement of accounts every month also. Next passage. Next case, Mr. Sadagopan is a businessman. He has 2 factories in Indore and Bhopal. It's also from the textbook only few things they have made the changes. He lives in Bhopal with his wife and 2 daughters. Okay, so can Mr. Sadagopan take life insurance policy for 2 children? Yes, he can take life insurance policy though. So you can write one line about what is life insurance policy. Life insurance policy can be taken by individuals for his own life or for his family members. Why they take life insurance policy? For himself, maybe it get matured when he's alive, or if he dies, then beneficiaries will get, his dependent will get that money. So for his own life or for his family members, child insurance policy or money back policy can be the option for child insurance. This is the extra one, not necessary that you are going to write it, but at least what is life insurance policy, mention that. Next, is child insurance is suitable for a wife? No, of course it is, as she is a wife, it is not suitable for her to take the child insurance policy. Which type of insurance should Mr. Sadagopan take for protecting his factories from loss due to fire? Now in the passage you can see he has factories in 2 places, so better he will go for fire insurance. Obviously factory means fire insurance for protecting his factories at Indore and Bhopal. Next passage, Shirish shifted some furniture to his office and issues check. This is little bit what we can say challenging. Okay, so I will go slow. Issue a check of rupees 20,000 to MV Movers. Okay, balance is in his account is rupees 15,000. Still bank clears the check. Shirish also wants to renovate his office, so he applies for a loan of 25 lakhs, which bank sanctions and transfer the amount. See, he has applied for the loan of 25 lakhs and the bank has sanctioned it, but he has taken only 15 lakhs. They have just confused you. See, the total loan amount is 25 lakhs. Shirish accepted bill of exchange. Another thing has been given, 5 lakhs drawn upon him by Messrs. Creative Furniture for supplying new furniture for his office. It is due on 31st May. but Creative Furnitures needed money on, they got 4.75 lakhs from the bank on the basis of same bill of exchange. Okay, now see, name the type of account Shirish must be operating. Obviously he is going to operate, because see, Shirish shifted some furniture to issue a check. Balance in his account is 15,000. Still bank clears. म्हणजे काय झालं, जरी अकाउंट कमी असेल, बॅलन्स कमी असेल अकाउंट मध्ये, स्टिल त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे, मीन्स इट इज अ ओव्हरड्राफ्ट फॅसिलिटी हॅज बीन गिवन, अँड ओव्हरड्राफ्ट फॅसिलिटी हॅज बीन एन्जॉयड बाय दी करंट अकाउंट होल्डर. नेक्स्ट, ऑन विच अमाउंट Shirish will have to pay interest on loan. See, in the third line only, see here you can say, even the loan is of total 25 lakhs and it has been sanctioned. So just ignore that 15 lakhs. He has withdrawn 50 lakhs, doesn't matter. We have to concentrate that loan is of 25 lakhs and it has been sanctioned. So on 25 lakhs. Next. Which service did the bank make available to Easy Messrs Creative Furniture while paying rupees 4.75 lakhs? They have mentioned about the discounting of bill of exchange is the service provided by bank to Messrs Creative Furniture while paying rupees 4.75 lakhs. They have already given about the bill of exchange. Okay. We have finished with the fourth passage. Fifth one. Fifth one, see, mix, cheesy, masala, batch number, manufacturer, all details have been given. Manufacturing date, batch number, and everything, rupees and all. Which right is represented in above example? See, right to information. Obviously, each and every information has been given. No need to write about that right. Just write recognize that right. If product has some deficiency and producer refuses to accept it and ignores the complaint, where can aggrieved consumers seek redressal? Obviously, we know this is the answer. Everywhere they ask this type of question. As the complaints are value of goods is less than 1, so he will go to district commission. Then we have consumer. Then we have consumer can file his complaint. Then we have state the name of the act. Name of the act is Consumer Protection Act 2019. Mention it properly. Take a screenshot of it. Next question. This is very simple. Now, next one is actually in the last passage they have not given the answers directly, so little bit challenging. So let's discuss it. Auto Parts Limited, renowned company situated in Chakradharpur, Jharkhand. This company is leading manufacturers of auto parts and also exports to some countries around the world. The company has net worth has been given. Then earned average net profit is also given in last 3 financial. Why they have given all this information? Because according to corporate social responsibilities, if you have read it properly, we have CSR activities and CSR related things are given to you. In that they have given if net worth is this, or if it has earned net profit, then we have to check the last 3 years financial year balance. Everything has been there in the textbook. But here in the passage they have not mentioned, they have given the figures only. You should understand, you should remember that, okay, if it is how to calculate that exact amount, they can exact name minimum amount they can spend on it. The provisions of which section is applicable, you have to write provision of section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. This is sufficient to write like this, and Companies Rules 2014 is applicable in the case of company follows CSR. This has been given in your textbook. Please concentrate on this part. Actually, they want this thing, Companies Act 2013. Under which section they have asked? So under 135, under section 135. This is the main answer. Then how much amount company needs to spend on CSR activities? Now see, actually company needs to spend 2% of average net profit on CSR activities. This is the rule. Okay, how much? 2% of average profit. Now what is the average profit? 1.20 crores. So what I will do, 1.20 crores. We know how many zeros are there for 7 zeros. Okay, so if you multiply this, what you will get? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and points are after 2, so I will cut these 2 and my final figure is this. Okay, what I have done, 1.20 crores into 1 crore is how much I have written. So I have converted everything in the crores. Then I have cut these 2 because a point is after 1.20. So I have cut this. And now on, what is this amount? Now on this amount, I will calculate 2%. Again, 20 will get cut. So you get 1 2 3 4, 2,40,000. Okay, this is the way you are going to calculate. Show this calculation if you want, or again I will explain you. They have given 1.20 crores. 1 crore, I know how many zeros are there? 7. So I have multiplied it with this. With that, I have written 120 and I have added this 7 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now on this I have calculated 2%, but see, this is 1.20, so 2 zeros will get cancelled. Now with the 100, again 2 zeros will get cancelled, and whatever the figure, that is for the CSR activity. How much directors are required to constitute CSR committee? 4 directors. See, it has been not given in the passage. Again, I'm telling you, generally what they do, case studies, generally the things are there in the passage only. But here, if your CSR concept is clear, if you have properly read that about section, about the percentage, because some what we can say, some calculation based things are there. So please read this properly. With this, we have finished question number 3. Only 6 cases were there. So in my next video, I will prepare my next video on objective parts. Okay, thank you.